How to verify identity on Revolut. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can verify your identity or verify your identification and ID documents and submit your ID documents to verify KYC. So you might see a notification that says your ID documents have been expired or are about to expire. If so, click on the update your ID. First, you need to select your citizenship. For example, if you're from US, choose the US, and if you're from UK, choose the UK. You can also use your driving license and then click on continue. After that, you need to upload a photo of your driving license. Make sure that it's framed correctly. Submit your photo, and if it's a driving license, they will also ask for a photo of the back. Next, you will need to take a selfie. You'll compare this selfie to your driving license photo, so make sure your eyes are visible and remove anything covering your face, like a mask or glasses. And even if you have applied with a valid document but you haven't received any response yet, you can contact the customer support team in the app chat or the website, and they'll help you within 24 to 48 hours, so 2 to 3 business days. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.